The ping command, testing network connectivity and measuring latency. The ping command is a crucial tool for network administrators and anyone who wants to check if a device is reachable on a network, including the internet. It also measures the time it takes for data to travel to the destination and back. The ping command tests if a host is reachable. It measures round-trip time. It uses Internet Control Message Protocol, also known as ICMP, echo request and reply. It is available on all major operating systems. The basic syntax is ping, followed by options, and then the destination. For example, ping google.com or ping 192.168.1. Here's a basic ping command example. Pinging a domain. In the terminal, you would type ping google.com. The output shows the ping to google.com with the IP address 142.250.190.78. It sends 56 or 84 bytes of data. 64 bytes are received from a server with the same IP address. The ICMP sequence is 1. The time to live, also known as TTL, is 57. The time it took for the round trip is 15.6 milliseconds. Subsequent lines show similar responses with slightly varying times. The first line shows the target and its resolved IP address. Each subsequent line represents a successful response with timing information. Key metrics are ICMP sequence, which is the sequence number, TTL, which is the time to live, and the time, which is the round-trip time in milliseconds. Let's explore some common ping command options. The first option is -C. This limits the number of packets sent, also known as the count. For example, ping space -C space 5 space google.com sends exactly 5 packets and stops. The next option is -I. This sets the interval between packets in seconds. For example, ping space -I space 2 space 192.168.1 sends packets every 2 seconds. The next option is -S. This changes the packet size in bytes. For example, ping space -S space 1000 space 8.8.8 sends 1000 byte packets. The final option is -T or -W. This sets the time to live value using -T or the timeout using -W. For example, ping space -W space 10 space example.com stops after 10 seconds. Here are some advanced ping examples. The first one is flood ping. This requires root or administrator privileges. It sends packets as fast as possible to stress test network performance. In the terminal, you would type sudo ping space -F space -C space 100 space 192.168.1. The output shows a rapid series of dots indicating the packets being sent and received. At the end, it provides statistics such as 100 packets transmitted, 100 received, 0% packet loss, and the round-trip time. The next example is audible ping, which is used when the connection returns. This plays a sound when a host becomes reachable, which is useful for monitoring. In the terminal, you would type ping space -A space 8.8.8.8. When the host becomes reachable, a sound will play and the terminal will show the standard ping output. Let's learn how to interpret ping results. Key metrics to monitor include round-trip time, also known as RTT. Less than 30 milliseconds is excellent. 30 to 100 milliseconds is good. More than 100 milliseconds is poor for real-time applications. Packet loss. 0% is perfect, 1 to 2% is acceptable. More than 2% indicates network problems. Jitter, which is the variation in RTT, low jitter is crucial for voice over IP, video calls, and gaming. The statistics summary shows 5 packets transmitted, 5 received, 0% packet loss, time 4006 milliseconds. The round-trip time minimum, average, maximum, and MDEV, which stands for mean deviation, which is the jitter, are also shown. Understanding the summary, the minimum is the fastest round-trip time, average is the average round-trip time, the maximum is the slowest round-trip time, and MDEV is the mean deviation, also known as jitter. Now let's discuss troubleshooting with ping. Some common issues are request timeout. This means no response was received from the target host. Possible causes include the host being down, a firewall blocking Internet Control Message Protocol or ICMP, or network congestion. Another common issue is high packet loss, meaning some packets are not reaching the destination or returning. For example, the statistics show 30% packet loss. Here are some diagnostic steps. Check network connectivity. Test the local network first, then external. To do so, ping 127.0.0.1 for loopback. Ping 192.168.1 for the default gateway. Ping 8.8.8.8 for an external Internet protocol. Ping google.com for DNS resolution. Maximum transmission unit, also known as MTU size testing. Find the maximum transmission unit size. For example, ping space-c space 3 space-m space do space-s space 1472 space google.com. Decrease the size if fragmentation occurs. Ping is a fundamental diagnostic tool for network troubleshooting. It helps identify connectivity issues, latency problems, and packet loss. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.